kwela talaga itong si Ninang Pure Gold. Narito ba naman ang naging reply sa naging request ng 18 Benguet official or mga fans ng SB19? Mula sa 18 Benguet, sinabi niyang, Godmother at Pure Gold PH, if we have rewatch party in Baguio, will you support us too? Sumagot si Ninang Pure Gold at sinabing, sure, just send the details. Tapos, penging strawberry. O diba, cool na cool pati ang mga ninong at ninang ng SB19. Samantala, narito naman ang isang kwentong 1818 lang. Basahin na lang po natin. 18, pansin mo, after Lollapalooza, it feels like we're back to day one. Not because everything we worked for disappeared, but because a whole new world has finally discovered SB19. We've already done our part here. We fought for P-pop. We proudly shouted, hindi sila K-pop, P-pop sila. We stayed when people laughed, doubted, and underestimated them. Now it's our turn to do it again, this time for the rest of the world. Somewhere out there is another Lira, or maybe it's one of us. One post, one share, one recommendation, one positive interaction could be the reason someone discovers SB19 and never looks back. So I hope you stay. Stay the way you did since day one that you enter our zone. Keep posting. Keep engaging with positive content. Keep celebrating every new fan. Don't waste your timeline on negativity or bashers. Every minute spent arguing is a minute we could spend helping SB19 reach someone new. We've come too far to stop now. The dream has never been just ours. It's always been theirs, to bring P-pop or Filipino music to the global stage. Let's help them open one more door, then another and another, until the whole world knows the name #SB19. At alam niyo po ba na ang SB19 ay nasa pahayagan na ngayon ng Chicago? Hindi lang basta-basta pahayagan, kundi kilalang mga pahayagan sa bansa. Mula sa naging update ni Non Solis Angonoy upang ito ay patotohanan. History in print, aniya. SB19 is officially in the Chicago Sun-Times and the Chicago Tribune. Yes, you read that right. The Kings of P-pop didn't just perform of Lollapalooza 2026. They made it to the city's biggest newspapers. And the best part, 18s went hunting for it. Both Sam and I went to 8 stores to find this. Haha. That's dedication, that's pride, that's what happens when your faves represent the Philippines on a world stage. From Grand Park to the front pages of Chicago, SB19 carried out music, our flag, and our story. People who didn't know P-pop before are now seeing it in print, talking about it, and maybe even streaming it. This is more than a headline. This is proof that OPM is breaking through. So let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep spreading SB19's music, everyone. From Luneta to Chicago, from stages to newspapers, the world is watching SB19 and we're just getting started. Yes, kitang-kita naman ang mga sunod-sunod na events and invitations sa SB19 bago ang kanilang naging performance sa Lollapalooza. At syempre, napakarami pa nga pong aantayin. At alam niyo po bang napakaraming pong mga nag-aabang na ninong at ninang sa SB19, mga bagong ninong at ninangs. Kaya naman po, tumutok lang po for more updates, images, or all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Showbiz Now.